let me run a hypothetical question by you. What if I was to call you today and tell you I have a buyer for you, someone that wants to pay cash for your home and will close in the next 10 days? How would you feel? Would you be relieved? Now, let's take that situation another step further. I tell you, before I send you this buyer, that I need to have you pay me a commission. What would you be willing to pay me to sell your property today? $2,000? $5,000? $10,000? See, having the buyer is the negotiating factor. A few years ago, it was exactly the opposite. Having a house for sale was the negotiating factor. This is a buyer's market. Let's face it. With so many opportunities for people to buy, the limitations on lending, and the increase in unemployment and underemployment, you as a seller are faced with an incredible amount of challenges to overcome. The fortunate thing is that I will not ask you for $10,000, $5,000, or even $2,000, but I can start getting you in front of actual buyers in less than 24 hours. I will get you in over 300 classified ads, 9 additional affiliate for sale by owner sites, and 10 associate advertising companies, plus a highly professional ad for only $499. And that is it. Never a renewal fee and no other upsells. Just a one-time low fee of $499, and I'm so confident that I'll be able to sell your property that I would advertise your property until it sells. Yes, until it sells. Now, there are typically 3 types of people that we come across each day. The first type of person sees what we offer and immediately sees the benefits and savings. This type of person is wanting to get their ad up as soon as possible. If this is you, I recommend that you give the advertising specialist that sent you this a call today. Their contact information should be listed at the bottom of this page. The second type of person is the type who says, I like what I see, but before I can move forward, I have a few more questions. If this is you, contact your ad specialist and get your questions answered. The third type of person looks at this and for whatever reason decides, I'm fine with marketing and I can sell it without anyone else's help. If this is you, then I wish you the best of luck. The only thing I ask is that if after several more weeks you don't get the results that you hope that you will get on your own, that you'll give us a call so that we can get you that buyer that you need. Thanks again for your time today, and get back with your advertising specialist that sent this video out to you. Happy selling.